Alright guys, so we got a little unboxing today. I got some Tiffen filters. Finally I got filters for my Mini 2. So this Mini 2 has been naked. We've had some snowy conditions and some really bright conditions where I couldn't slow down my shutter speed, and that kind of isn't ideal, as you know, with video. So what I'm going to do is kind of unbox these Tiffen filters. So this is what they are. They're Tiffen. It's a 6 set for the Mavic Mini and of course the Mini 2. So again, 6 filter set, as you can see. And we're going to open this guy up. I'm going to grab my knife. I'm going to slice through this little guy. Put this guy down. And we're going to pull out what's in the Tiffen filter box. So I'm going to slowly pull out, and we have a little microfiber cloth, and we have the set of 6 filters. So we have an ND4, an ND8, an ND16, and then we have the polarizer of each of those options as well. So we have, I'm going to put on my glasses. Okay, now I can see a little bit better. So now we got the polarizers, and as you see, they have this little clip mechanism, which I've never used yet. They're very delicate. I'm going to make sure, let me see. So can you see that? So that's what they look like. I have rubber gloves on from something because I was actually handling a print for a client, and I just figured I'd keep them on for the sake of the tutorial. So this is the Tiffen ND4. Again, you can see they're all black. Nice quality. So they feel, at least. And I'm going to go ahead and see how it is. I'm going to take off the gimbal cover. And I'm going to see how it is to actually get this guy on. So I've heard people say that they're a little difficult to get on. And I'm going to simply kind of rest this guy down carefully. I don't even know if they have any instructions, but it's a simple clip mechanism, and I have gloves on, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. And that was it. So, super easy. And it appears to be on securely, as you can see. So nothing too crazy. I didn't know, let me see if there's a little clip or anything. They do kind of clip in the back. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. But they definitely go on with no problem. And again, if you have a glove on or something, which isn't a bad idea, just carry a set of gloves, and that way you don't fingerprint everything when you're getting them put on, because it's just one more step of messing around. You see how clear that is? So that's the ND4. I'm going to go ahead and remove it, and I'm going to try to do this on camera. Yeah, and it's just a simple little pull from the back. I mean, that's pretty common sense kind of stuff. And let me try one of the polarizers. So this is an ND8 polarizer. So it does turn, as you can see. This rotates, so it's a circular polarizer, ND8 polarizer. So this is good for water, for dialing in a blue sky or something. And again, pretty simple. I'm just going to press this guy on the back, and you'll hear a little clip. So when it clicks in, you'll hear like clip, clip, basically each one of the little prongs securing really delicately on the bottom, or on the back, I should say. Can you see that? So that's actually on there. I can't pull it off. And in order to remove it, let me just take a peek at this. I always feel like I'm tweaking the gimbal. So I'm really delicate when I'm handling this, because I don't want to be yanking on the gimbal. And then to take it off, you just kind of grab, and voila, the filter is off. So I'm excited to use these. I'm going to go out probably tomorrow and shoot. But again, just know that these Tiffen filters do exist. And Tiffen, if you guys aren't familiar, have been an amazing filter company in the photographic world for quite some time. So they have a great line of products, not just for drones. The drone world is, oh, pardon my bird. The drone world is something I believe a little bit newer for them, but really nice presentation, nice little case. They go on really easily. They come off real easily. You got an ND4, an ND8, an ND16, and then you got the polarizer version for each of those two. And I believe they go for around $80. I'll put a link in the description. Super excited to have this in my drone case when I want to actually slow down my shutter speed for brighter conditions or use a polarizer for pulling in some blue sky or waters. And that's it. So aloha, guys. Hope this helps. Know that Tiffen is a quality option that is out there for your drone filter needs.